Good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2018 Mathematics Past Question, question 55. Which of the following angles can be constructed using a pair of compasses and ruler only? A 117 degree, B 105 degree, C 85 degree, and D 65 degree. Now we are asked to choose which of these angles can be constructed using a pair of compasses and ruler only, that is without the use of any protractor or other drawing instruments. Now A here says angle 170 degree. Now angle 170 degree cannot be constructed using a pair of compasses and ruler only. Like you know the basic angles. The basic angles are the 30, 45, 60, 90. Now you see these angles, 15 also is parts. These angles now can be constructed with a pair of compasses and ruler only, and also by summing these angles together you can get other angles that can be constructed using a pair of compasses and ruler. But 117 degree here cannot be gotten by summing any of these, so it is wrong. Now B here says 105 degree. Now 105 degree can be gotten by summing 45 degree plus 60 degree, so therefore it can be constructed using a pair of compasses and ruler only. Now angle 85 degree. Angle 85 degree can also not be gotten from any of these, so it is wrong. Likewise 65 degree cannot be gotten from summing any of these, so it cannot be constructed with pair of compass and ruler only. Now from this you see that angle 105 degree can be constructed with a pair of compasses and ruler. This is because it can be gotten from adding any of the basic angles, which is 45 and 60. Now after constructing your 60 degree with pair of compass and a ruler, then you now construct your angle 45 degree. Now summing up these angles will now give you it will give you 105 degree. So B is the correct answer. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos.